all, it's TxStampin Sharon. I am going to share with you on this video my September 1st through September 10th online card class. If you are interested in taking this class, let me tell you what you're going to get for free. You will get card kits to make 2 of each of the 4 cards. So many of you don't want to give away that card after you've made it. I got you covered. I'm going to let you have 2, and it will include everything you need as far as the cardstock, paper, ribbon, things like that goes, plus envelopes. You will need to purchase the stamping supplies to actually complete the projects. And I request that orders are done on my website before the 10th of the month. They need to be at least $40. You can always order more if you need to. I ship out the card kits on or before the 22nd of each month. I hope you enjoy these cards. Also, as a little side note, I'm doing 2 classes this month. One class I can't launch until the 5th because it's from the holiday catalog that starts on September 5th. Enjoy my cards. To complete my Time for Tea online card class, you're going to need the Time for Tea stamp set and the framelits. This is a bundle. If you purchase them together, then you will save 10%. You're going to need some stamp pads. You're going to need Calypso Coral, Crushed Curry, Coastal Cabana, and Old Olive. You will also need a circle punch. I recommend a 1 1/4 inch punch. However, you just need something that's close if you don't already have this punch in your craft stash. Let me show you all of the projects. So I've been waving this one around. Cute little tea bag holder. And with the holidays coming up, we need some gift ideas, little small cute gift ideas for those teachers or friends at work or you know, just what have you. So it holds 2 tea bags. You're going to stamp cheers and you'll put your name and not mine. But it's just cute little tea bag holder. Love it. So you'll get enough to make 2. Here is You Fill My Cup with Happiness. It opens up like this and you could stamp your sentiments and everything inside, but you'll receive the ribbon and this, these 2 layers already cut out and punched for you, and then you'll receive the designer series paper. On this one, you'll receive everything that you need to create your own little banner and stamp and do your stamping, but you'll receive all the pieces to make 2. Here's another fun one for those upcoming holiday gifts from me to you. You can write a little note right here, but it's a gift card holder. I love it. I hope you do too. So if you're interested in joining my online card class, getting the 2 sets of everything for this card kit, you'll need to have your order placed before the 10th of September, and my website address is in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Isn't it just adorable? I just love it. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so with the button below. I look forward to having you in my online card class for September.